Hello everyone, this is PJ Rabuya, your in-house property consultant, and I'm here at Finma Mayo to book, and I receive a lot of questions coming from our clients. And today, sasagutin natin yan. And here with me today, who has been tenured for 16 years in real estate industry. So let's welcome Sir Larry. Hello Sir Larry, magandang araw sa iyo, sir.
Hello, PJ. It's good to see you.
Thank you, sir. So meron kasi mga katanungan eh. Kaya tatanong ko sa iyo. Kung bibili ako ng bahay, bakit dito sa Finma Mayo to book?
Wow, that was a great question I ever heard. Now, before I answer that, let me ask you this question. Here in Davao, there is a slogan here, life is here. And I will ask you, what is life is here for you?
Parang ako yung tinanong mo ah.
No! God, please, no!
Ako sana yung magtatanong eh. Pero sige, life is here para sa akin, tatlo lang yan. Tatlong words lang para sa akin. Safety, accessibility, and convenience. Pag nandyan yung tatlo, para sa akin, life is here na.
Nice.
Exactly. So, why PMT o why Pinmamaayo to book? First, safety. Safe ang lugar. When it comes sa security natin, no? Sa security natin dito, bukod sa security guard na meron tayo 24 hours na tayo dito, Rubing, we have also CCTV cameras. At the same time, hindi ka basta-basta makapasok dito nang wala kang rapid card, no? Or
Mga stickers, yung
oh
gano'n.
yeah, hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok dito. Actually, itatouch mo lang yun na ano. So, medyo upgraded tayo dito. Hindi siya sticker lamang na ano. So, accessibility, it's easy na makapag-travel. Yes. When it comes going to downtown, we have a lot of terminals, especially the buses. We have here, near lang, malapit lang dito, going to downtown para mabilis. So, we have also going to north is yung accessible natin, ginagawang bypass road, malapit lang din dito. So, when it comes sa travel o accessibility, when it comes sa pagpunta mo sa north and south, very convenient siya. When it comes sa amenities, no, we have perfect, no? Like I said, complete package ng when it comes sa amenities. We have a swimming pool, which is we have from adult and children swimming pool. We have a basketball court, no? We have also a gym here, no? So we have also a yoga place, no? And also we have here a function hall, which is if di mo na kailangan pumunta pa sa labas para when it comes sa mga events like wedding, birthday, reunion, no? Here pa lang meron na tayong big huge function hall we can accommodate na maraming tao. Then we have also a meeting room, no? So let's say mga group, if you have a groups, di ka mo na kailangan pumunta pa sa mga any cafe dyan. Here, meron na tayo doon. No? Meron tayo dito ng mga meeting room. At the same time, meron din tayong working places here. Most of our buyers here are virtual. No?
Virtual assistant.
Virtual assistant.
Paano naman sir yung meron kang anak like up to 3 years old or 4 years old, meron bang like pwede mong maiwanan dito sa amenities na to pag may gagawin kang iba, ganun?
Yes, exactly. We have a toddlers or playground para sa mga toddlers na yan.
Sir, matanong ko lang din, lahat ba ng sinabi mong amenities, if you are a homeowner, are these amenities free?
Okay, when it comes sa pre-sum, but yung, let's say, when it comes sa mga function hall, possible meron siyang fees, like also a gym, no? Mga fees yan, possible. And mga meeting hall. Now, ang ano naman dyan, the good thing is if you are a homeowner here, hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. No? Siguro it's just minimal to payment for ano. So, again, it is convenience pa rin para sa'yo.
Pero sir, sa tingin mo kung bibili ako, sa tingin mo anong magiging kalagayan ko kung titingin tayo sa kinabukasan? Anong magiging kalagayan ko bilang isang homeowner at naninirahan dito sa Finma Mayo to book?
Okay. I could say when you invest here, your investment will be secured. No? 5 years to 10 years from now, most of the big companies, big investment corporation, are they starting in scratch? Are they starting in small? As you invest here, sa ngayon, makikita natin yung lugar, hindi pa masyado siyang developed. But when 5 years to 10 years, there will be this area, this place, no, in this Tugbok or Mintal, will be the next downtown or next city.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Kasi as you can see in the development here in Davao is sobrang napakaganda.
Kung magsisimula ako ngayon, sir, ano-ano nga bang mga kailangan kong gawin?
Okay, to get investment here, number one is very important. First, ang payment terms kasi dito, meron tayong bank financing, pag-ibig financing, and in-house financing. So, pipili ka lang doon kung saan ka magiging comfortable, na easy sa'yo na makapag payment terms ka, no? And the good things about here pa in Pinmamaayo Tugbok, so when it comes sa co-borrower, hanggang 3, no? Pwede tayo.
Pwede pala 3, sir.
Yes, yes. And when it comes sa documents, Pinmamaayo is Tugbok will be tawag to, they want sila talagang sinesecure nila yung mga sinisigurado nila ang yung mga dokumento, no? They hindi naman sila na para lang mag-invest ka lang, no? Hindi ganun si Pinma. So they wanted your investment will be secured, no? So sasabihin nila sa iyo if you're qualified or not, no? That's the good thing about here.
So parang sinasabi mo, sir, teka lang muna, sir, sorry, pero parang sinasabi mo wala na akong gagawin masyado pag bibili ako ng bahay.
Yes, hindi mo na, like you said, yung conditions na hinahanap mo, even when it comes the process, when it comes sa loaning, processing sa everything, Pinmamaayo Tugbok will help you about that. Pinmamaayo is one of the greatest investment that you put in, no? Hindi ka magsisisi.
So mga kaibigan, narinig nyo lahat ang sagot ni Sir Larry. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan pa na hindi namin nasagot ngayon, pwede nyo lang i-leave at the comment section or pwede nyo kami i-message Sir Larry. Ilalagay ko din yung profile niya sa comment section. And or you can contact us directly with our number that will be provided on the screen. So yun lang po mga kaibigan, and stay safe.